Hey, what's up, everyone? I want to take a quick moment to share some thoughts around everyone's favorite topic, and that is process documentation. And I laugh as I say that because I know as people hear process documentation, they automatically tune out and X, maybe close a window. I'm not here for it, abort mission, right? And process documentation can elicit that type of response because it can be time intensive. It can be, depending on how much detail you document your processes, it can be a high level of effort. But, there is tremendous value in documenting our processes, understanding the step-by-step procedures from a standardized standpoint, um, in a way to carry out our business operations, to increase the efficacy of our processes, right? If we haven't had the opportunity to meet, my name is Andrae Kirkland, and I support our small business partners within the GenEdge Alliance. Um, Across my experience of supporting our small business partners, and my own experience of being with large manufacturers, global operations, and even startups, I've seen the impact and have led the impact of documenting our processes, standardizing those in such a way that they're easily accessible, they provide the visibility, and we get consistent outputs from a process that then allow us to achieve financial favorability just in terms of, hey, we're no longer wasting raw materials because of product defects, or we're able to meet our forecast because, hey, we've produced enough goods that meet quality specifications that then we can ship out the door, right? And that's one of the biggest components or biggest benefits of process documentation and standardized processes, especially within manufacturing, because we are so dependent upon quality. We are so dependent upon specifications. So when we have these business operations documented, and we're able to step by step maintain consistency on how we are doing things within our business, then that allows us to grow and scale our operations, right? Um, One thing you really see this with a lot of small businesses where we have one teams of 1 to 20 people, wearing multiple hats, owning different processes, and having to take care of different aspects of our business, right? Again, person A may do something different than person B. While the creativity and the innovative mind is great, and we welcome that, we also want to document how processes are done today so that, again, we drive consistency and we drive quality in our operations, because that's what's going to help us grow by not having to repurchase or procure more raw materials that we used to make defective products, right? Or to make up for defective products. It gives us visibility to who are the subject matter experts of a certain process, right? Hey, if it's documented that I own processes A, B, and C, and my colleague owns X, Y, and Z, they can come to me for this process knowledge, right? If it's documented and I call out sick, or if I hit the lottery and decide not to come into work tomorrow, there's record of the processes that I owned, and then the team members can use those to then train and understand what needs to happen on a daily basis, on a weekly basis, maybe on a month-to-month basis, right? So that's just some insight into the benefits of process documentation. And again, I understand it gets a bad rep, just because of the level of effort that's needed for process. And it's just kind of one of those things that, oh, it's just paperwork, or it's kind of the not fun or not enjoyable aspects of manufacturing. But please, if there's something that I can offer and recommend for organizations, both large and small, it's to document processes. So again, Andrae Kirkland here. I partner with our small business manufacturers. If you are in need of help, or if you have any questions documenting processes or understanding how to go about doing so, please don't hesitate to reach out. We are here we're here to support you as GenEdge Alliance members in that journey. So again, take care and document those processes.